Hello there, how you doing? Happy new year. It's a brand new year, and a few videos back I promised a winter patterns video, free of course, and here they are. I really do love winter. This cold season, it's my favorite season because we get to make third layers and wear them, and they're my favorite piece of items to wear and also to make. So here are 20 plus winter patterns for beginners. Of course, they're totally free. So I have categorized these patterns into different categories, that is coats and jackets. And number 2 we have shirts. Number 3 we have dresses and skirts. We have trousers. Number 4, and the last category is accessories. Of course, we love accessories on this channel, and I'm really excited about these patterns. So let's get into the video. So let's start with the first category, which is coats, and on that is the hazel coat from Moods fabric. This coat is so pretty, so comfy, like really long with like nice pockets, really simple, minimal seams, and it's perfect for a beginner. So I have made coat like 2-3 videos ago, and I made it out of a blanket. I will link the video in the description box. This pattern would look so amazing flipping a blanket, a fleece blanket, a throw blanket, or anything that you have laying around. It's really perfect. I love it so much. The second pattern that I have for you is the Vera trench from Fabric Store. This trench coat is so pretty, so dreamy. It has that princessy vibe. It looks so amazing. Now this pattern on the website, it's labeled as summer spring pattern, but you alter the fabric that you're using and immediately it's a winter coat. It looks so amazing. So you use a heavy fabric and then line it on the inside, or use just a normal fabric on the outside and then line it on the inside, so it's nice and warm. It will come out so perfect. So the other 2 pieces in this category are not so much as trench coats as the first 2. So the first one is the quilted coat by Do It Yourself. Now this is a website I just discovered, and they have a lot of nice free patterns, so make sure you check them out. I will link them in the description box. So this coat is really nice, really pretty, really warm. It's a quilted coat. They have a vest version, and they also have like long sleeved version. I love me a nice quilted coat. Those who know me know that I love my quilted coat, and I just had to plug you guys on how to make your own quilted coat. And the other one is a woman's coat. Now this coat is really nice. I'm definitely making this pattern as soon as possible. It's just a normal type of blazer with like really nice and huge collars, long sleeved, and you can add up closures, but on the website they do not have closures on the coat. They have a nice belt that I just fell in love with the moment I saw it. It's really nice. So it's more of a blazer than a coat, and that is exactly why I fell in love with this pattern. And those are the 4 coat patterns that I have for you. The next category we're going to is shirts, and here I have 2 patterns. The first one on the shirt category is the buttercup sweatshirt by Moods fabric. This pattern comes in 3 different categories. You can have it as a sweatshirt dress, you can have it as a cropped sweatshirt, or you can have it as a banded sweatshirt. It's really nice, pretty, versatile, and who doesn't love a nice classic sweatshirt? I don't think there's anyone. So make sure you go grab yourself this pattern by Moods fabric. The other one is Judy button front shirt by Tiana's Closet. Now Tiana's Closet. They make really nice patterns, and again, I just discovered them. I don't know what I've been doing. They have really nice patterns, so make sure you check out this pattern. It's really nice, a classic shirt with like a v-neck, and then details with buttons at the front, and then like nice voluminous sleeves, like oh my god, nice puff sleeves, and then at the wrist area we have a cuff. It gives vintage vibes but still classy. I don't know how to explain. It's really nice and pretty, and I'm obsessed with that, and I'm definitely making it soon. A lot of these patterns I'm going to be making them really soon because they're all really nice and pretty. And with this top you can wear a nice trouser, the top, and then put on a jacket on top, and you look good. So that's it for the shirts category. Let's move on to dresses. The first one is the Jazzy Dress by Peppermint Magazine. Now this dress, everyone loves comfort during this time because you have to wear a lot of layers to keep warm. This dress is it. It's really comfy. It's really layerable, if that's a word. It's relaxed. It's cozy. It's everything. Wearing a dress that doesn't have to make you uncomfortable is usually the goal, and this dress achieves all of those. So make sure you check out that dress pattern. The only thing about this dress is that you have to use a knit fabric, and it might be a little bit hard for beginners to work with knit fabrics, but as long as you know how to operate your sewing machine and the whole zigzag stitch and overlock stitch, then you are perfectly okay, and you can go ahead and make this dress. It's really simple, really easy to make, and honestly I'm not that big of a fan of dresses, but this dress looks so amazing. Number 2, we have the Anara wrap dress by Mood Fabrics. Now this dress, maybe I'm a little bit late into plugging you on this dress. It would have looked so amazing as a New Year's Eve dress. Like, who doesn't love a nice wrap dress? I don't think there's anyone. I really obsess over wrap dresses, and I don't think there's any body type that doesn't look really good in a wrap dress. So yeah, this wrap dress is so amazing. The thing is, you can make this wrap dress with any fabric and it will definitely come out really nice. It has like a tie at the waist. It's a classic wrap dress. You can have the sleeves short, or you can make them long, or you can make it sleeveless. You know, whatever you want, you got it with this dress. It's really nice and beautiful. That one is a dress by Vicky Sauce, the Vicky dress. Oh my god, if you are in the sewing community and you don't know who Vicky Sauce is, okay, don't stop this video. Maybe after this video, go ahead to check out who Vicky Sauce is, because she makes a lot of beautiful items, and I love her videos and her patterns so much. Most of her patterns are sold on Etsy, but this Vicky dress is for free and I love it. It has like ruffles on the front borders. We have like nice long sleeves, and at the cuff we have elasticated wrists, and at the waist the skirt part is gathered, and it's so pretty and also comfy. I'm obsessed. I really do love that kind of dress. And if you are a midi dress kind of person, you can elongate the dress, the skirt portion that is. You can make it maxi, you can make it mini. What is not to love about that dress? Now that we have mentioned the dresses, I have 2 skirt patterns for you guys. Number 1, we have the indigo skirt by Mood Fabrics. So this is a bias skirt, and during this time, wearing a nice bias skirt, maybe a turtleneck top, tuck it in, wear a trench coat, wear nice boots, That's a perfect outfit. And the other pattern is wrap skirt. Now I love me a good wrap skirt, and since the different types of wrap skirts, I decided, you know what, my taste might not be your taste on wrap skirts, so I included 7 plus free patterns on wrap skirts. It's a whole website that I came across, and all those patterns look amazing, and I could not choose just one to include in this video. So I have a link to the entire blog in the description box. You can check it out and choose the wrap skirt that you want. It would not be fair for me to just choose one and leave everything else, so I decided to just put the entire blog in my description box and have you choose for yourself. And that's on dresses and skirts. Now let's move on to trousers. As I said earlier, trousers, layering, hot are usually in the same sentence as winter, and I love trousers. I love making trousers, and I used to hate making trousers because of plies, but right now I know how to make a nice fly, so it takes me like maximum of 2 hours to make a trouser. That's why I like to say trousers are really easy and fast projects to make. So the first one, and my holy grail, and I will never cease to mention this pattern, it's the Nasreen pants from Wood Fabrics. This pants, or rather this pattern, is really versatile. I make a lot of my trousers using these patterns. It's like a basic block for trousers. The second one is also from Wood Fabric. It's the Ren jeans. These are sort of flared pants, and I just love how these jeans look. Flared pants are still in, and the fact that it's a vintage kind of vibe, a vintage kind of pattern. I love me some vintage look, and I love this jeans pattern. So if you want to make some jeans this winter, make sure to check out the Ren jeans. And they also have really simple instructions on their website, really easy to follow, and within no time you will have made your jeans. From the Ren jeans, we are going to leggings by Life So Savory. I've mentioned these leggings, I think, in my fall patterns videos, but I love these leggings. And they have an updated blog whereby they show you how to make them with the thicker fabric. And who doesn't love nice leggings or sweatpants during winter? Just be comfortable, just sit and feel warm. From there, we are moving to something a little bit classier. That is the Lois pants by Fabric Store. So these pants are really nice, comfortable. As I said, comfortable is the main agenda here. We need to be comfortable. So it's an elasticated trouser with like a paper bag waist. Really nice, classy. Make it with a nice fabric, and it will be a work outfit. It can be a lounging outfit, whatever works for you. It's really versatile. I love it. And the fact that we have no zipper, or rather a fly, it will be a really easy make, fast to finish, and really comfortable and easy to wear, I guess. On the Louis pants, we are going to the neat wide leg pants by Unfettered. I guess that's how they're pronounced. Not sure. I think Unfettered patterns. So these pants really remind me of the launch set by Kiana Bonolo. I don't know why. I also link Kiana Bonolo's video on the knit pants in the description box. It looks amazing. So when I saw these pants by Unfettered, that's exactly what I thought about. Kiana makes really nice patterns, but they are for sale on Etsy, and I'm talking about free patterns today. So this is a nice alternative. They are like a really nice, comfortable wide leg. Who doesn't love like a wide leg? It looks so classy, so sophisticated. Now that we are done with the trousers, I'm going to go ahead and share accessories patterns. And accessories for winter, they're not that many, but the moment you get the right accessory, your outfit is complete. The first one is a hooded blanket. I'm not sure where it is from, but I will have the entire link in the description box for you to check out the pattern. So the hooded blanket is just like a nice long blanket with a hood and spaces to insert your hands. And if you're not lounging in such a blanket, I don't know what you're doing. It's really simple because all you have to do is add like a hood and the two attachments for the hands. This will make a really nice gift to someone. Number 2, we have sweater mittens from Chic. And we need to keep our hands warm during this season. And the fact that this is a pattern that allows you to upcycle, to thrift flip, it's a really an amazing pattern. She shows you how to make these mittens from like a sweater, an old sweater, and they come out so amazing. She has kid size and adult size in like 2 different sizes each, and they look so amazing. So the other 2 patterns that I have are scarf patterns. So I have the scarf pattern number 1096 from Gracia, hoping that's how it's pronounced, and it looks so amazing. It's really pretty. They made it out of, I think, fur or sharper, and it looks so amazing. I love it so much. So it's like split, and you can have the other side go into the other side, and it won't come out, and it's really nice and pretty. And they also have a matching hat, I think pattern 1095. Yeah, I will link both of them in the description box. Make sure to check that out. Keep your neck warm, have a nice cute looking hat, and you're good to go this winter. The other scarf pattern is the Keyhole by Pearl Soho. It's so nice. The reason as to why I fell in love with this pattern is because you can make it with any fabric and it will come out so great. I have an idea to make it as a kilted scarf to match with my kilted jacket, and I think it will come out so pretty. So I'm really excited about that. The scarf is like nice. It has like a tiny space where you can pass the other side through to the other side, and it will stay put just like the one from Gracia. It's really amazing, and I love this pattern. So the last pattern in this category, and overall it's a bag, and it's by Do It Yourself. It's like a really nice quilted bag, and as you can see, I'm obsessed with quilted items. I love how big this bag is. It fits everything, and trust you me, I'm making this bag. So a while ago I made like a jumper from a quilted blanket, and I still have some leftover fabric from there. I will have the video on the screen so that you can see how the jumper looks like, and I'll link it also in the description box. And from that leftover fabric, I'm definitely going to be making this bag. Those are the patterns that I had for you. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you're going to try out some of these patterns. All the links are in the description box, including the extra ones that I've mentioned, including extra videos if I come across the links, and also some of my videos that I've mentioned are also in the description box. Please make sure to check them out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button down below, like this video, and also share it with a friend, and I will really appreciate. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.